Hello and welcome to the PWAC Levo e-learning course. This e-learning course refers to the repairing of the Levo hook. In this chapter you will learn how to exchange the swivel hook and the hook axle. To exchange the swivel hook and the hook axle you need a hammer and the Allen key size 3. Now our technician will demonstrate how to exchange the swivel hook and the hook axle. At the beginning, the two Allen screws, which are placed on the bottom of the housing, will be removed. After this, the axle of the hook can be removed. Now we start to assemble the hook again. First, insert the hook axle and the swivel hook. Please insert the axle in the shown direction. After that, the two Allen screws can be fixed again. Please use Loctite, medium strength, on both screws.